So I thought I'd share with you my nighttime skincare routine. It's a few steps, but I enjoy it, and I think so far I'm getting pretty good results. Everything I'm using today, except one thing, is from Yes Style. I either do it online or on the app. The first thing I'm going to use, well, actually two, because this is, well, you might can get this, I'm not sure. M Beauty. I just spritz my face. It's a clean face. I just washed. Let it air dry. Then the other thing that's not from Yes Style is the Elf Youth Boosting Retinol Serum. I do 2 pumps. That's what it looks like. I go on my nose first because that's where my biggest pores are. Then I do on my face, around my lips, or my eyes. Not under my eyes, just around. And my neck and chest. Then after that step, I go in with the Intensive EGF Peptide. It's the COXir brand. This was actually sent to me for review. I like it. I've never used a peptide serum, so I've been enjoying it. Go in next with that. And then I take it up under my eyes. If you don't make a funny face when you do your skincare, what are you doing with your life? I make some of the strangest faces. I can't help it. I'm a goofy goober. I really am. So the next thing I knew is a fermented complex 94 boosting serum. It's by Purito. It's a very affordable brand. I just get 3 or 4 shakes. Rub it between my hands. Quite hard. Around my lips. Don't forget this skin right here. A lot of people, when you see them do their skincare online, they never go under their nose, but you certainly should. Then I go in with a Scintilla Asiatica serum. It's an ampule by Skin 104. Also from Yes Style. You can probably get it on Amazon too. There you go, about that much. It's running down. This is to help with redness, because I do have, I don't know if I have eczema or what this is in this area on my cheeks and my chin, but it does seem to be helping it. I cut my lip. Y'all be careful when you do dermaplaning that you pay attention to what you're doing, because I did not. There you go. Just a few more steps. This is really relaxing to me before I go to bed. I enjoy it. Maybe some people don't, I guess, but I really do. And this is the Eliza Vika EGF Retinol Cream Elastic. Also from Yes Style. I purchased all these products except for the Peptide serum, because I'm an avid shopper on there. I love Korean skincare, Korean, Japanese. This is a retinol cream on top of a retinol serum. If your skin is sensitive, you probably can't do that. But it also has niacinamide in it. And it has hyaluronic acid. It's a pretty thick cream. It's very sticky. I don't know if I showed you the consistency. I really like it. In the beginning, I thought that I wouldn't like it, but I just want to show you how this is what it looks like. And then here we go. It's sticky like that, but it soaks in good and it doesn't feel gooey. Make sure I get my neck good and my ears. So 2 more steps. One is a vitamin C. It's called the Vitamin C 23 by COXir. I love this brand. I repurchased from this brand several times. I am going to tell you, this vitamin C water though, I mean this vitamin C serum, well, it smells like hot dog water. But to help that so it doesn't smell so bad, I use a rosehip seed oil. And this is by SVA. I got this off of Amazon. There we go. All the way down here, back of the neck. Last step. And this is a ceramide cream. And right here, it's Ileune. And I know it's going on top of an oil, but I basically just use it sort of as an emulsion to slug, really, on top. Because that retinol cream also has ceramides. And as you can see, I'm 57 years old, so my skin is not looking like it's 20. But this is it. Also create that, go right over my lips, because I put on a Belief lip mask. You can also get that on YesStyle, but you can get that on Ulta, I'm sure. Amazon. Probably CVS and Target, though I'm not sure. I don't shop at Target. But just for those of y'all who shop there. And that's it. That's what I do for the night. And if you're interested in the morning routine, just let me know.